Hey everyone, if OnlyOffice is showing an unexpected error, freezing, or stopping certain actions without explanation, don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you simple fixes to help resolve the issue. First, close OnlyOffice completely and reopen it. Temporary glitches are one of the most common causes of unexpected errors. Next, make sure your internet connection is stable. Yeah, connection drops can trigger unexpected errors, especially in cloud-based documents. If you're using OnlyOffice in a browser, refresh the page or reopen the document. This can clear temporary loading issues. Corrupted cache or cookies can cause strange errors, so clearing browser data may fix unexpected behavior. Some browser extensions can interfere with OnlyOffice scripts. Disabling them temporarily can help identify the cause. Make sure you have the correct permissions for the document. Yeah, restricted access can sometimes trigger unexpected errors. Make sure you're running the latest version of OnlyOffice. Updates often fix bugs that cause unexpected errors. If you're using a VPN or proxy, turn it off temporarily. So network routing issues can sometimes break communication with the server. If the issue continues, try another browser or device. This helps confirm whether the problem is device-related. If nothing works, reinstall OnlyOffice completely. Yeah, a fresh installation can fix corrupted program files causing errors. If the unexpected error still appears, contact OnlyOffice support. They may be able to identify deeper account or server issues, and that's it. Hopefully one of these methods helped fix the OnlyOffice unexpected error issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.